And time about don't come with another story for all of you now. There's chaos in Edo State as prisoners from Sapale Road, Benin City, has all been released. There are rumors flying around that it's from the FG or from the youths that have been protesting around that area, but a definite reason has not yet been found. These are the clips from the prisoners when they were escaping.
All prisoners must go! Freedom! 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 Prisoners! Now we need a runner! Operation go! Freedom! 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 Prisoners! This is Benin prison! Stop. Thank you! Freedom! Freedom!
All the police station.
See prisoners, see all of them. See prisoners, see prisoners. All prisoners are free. You are free.
Prisoners they come and left for the rest for white house. Prisoners they come and left for the rest. They never see anything. Left for the rest. Prisoners they come out for white house. Prisoners they come out for white house. Left for the rest. Oh, left for the rest. Left for the rest. Prisoners.
But the video actually showed otherwise.
To 60.
Since 260, what do you do?
I don't do anything. I found my depart for village. They go arrest me, president. They go arrest me. They put allegation from my side. I keep us okay and I not do anything. Now they put me for 62 now. No court, nothing. Now I'm in the support. No visit.
Today you are free. Now beneath you, that's the way you go. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, you.
There is something actually wrong somewhere. There is no standard reason yet. People are actually thinking that the Edo State protesters has been framed because how will only the youth be able to release prisoners from their yard? Any other news on this issue will be brought to all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video concerning this Edo protesters or any other issue. See you when I see ya.